Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so this video is on factorials. So factorials are different than factors. So let's go ahead and take a look at what are the differences. So factorial, you'll see something like that, 5 exclamation point. Let's make our exclamation point a little better. Okay, and so what that means, we see a factorial is you multiply it, so whatever the number is, all the way down to 1. So it looks like 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 all the way down to 1. Okay, so you could get a question that was just like this, which is 5 factorial. What does that equal, right? You just need to know what the factorial is and then do the math. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3, 60. And then 60 times 2 is 120. Okay, and that would be our answer. 120. Okay, so that's one type of problem right there. And then another one that you can see though is something like this. 20 factorial divided by 18 factorial. Goodness gracious. What do we do with this? Okay, so you could, if you wanted to, multiply all the way out 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 all the way down to 1, and then 18 times 17 times 16 all the way down to 1. But really, the only numbers that are different here in the numerator, the top number, and the denominator are 20 and 19, right? Because sort of just go out, like 18 is going to be in the numerator and in the denominator, right? And 18 divided by 18 is 1, right? And so these you can just cross out, and it'll be the same for 17 and 16 and 15 all the way down to 1. So really all we need to do is know what 20 times 19 is, right? And so if you do that math, 20 times 19 is 380, and that's your answer, right? So if you get a division factorial question, then you're just looking to see how many numbers I can actually cross out, and then the numbers that are left over, you multiply those, and that will be your answer.